age, the Savior will redeem. As the one at the well, as the one who once was dead, as the one who was blind, to tell you what the Savior said: freedom, freedom, freedom over here. Freedom, freedom, freedom over here. Freedom, freedom, freedom. Look no longer. Freedom, freedom, freedom. You're the living water, my solid ground. Left to me, I still would be bound, but you picked me up and now I am found. Freedom. You're the living water, my solid ground. Left to me, I still would be bound, but you picked me up and now I am found. Freedom. Freedom, freedom, freedom. Look no longer. Freedom, freedom. The pain won't take you under. Freedom, freedom, freedom. Whoa, freedom, 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 freedom over your mind. Freedom, 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 freedom from depression. Freedom, 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 freedom from sickness. Freedom, 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 freedom from abuse. Freedom, 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 freedom from shame. Freedom, freedom, and your unspoken pain. Freedom, freedom, freedom. Whoa, freedom, freedom, freedom.
There is a misconception as it relates to mental health. There are a number of persons who are confused as it relates to what mental health is and what mental illness is. And so oftentimes, because of the confusion, persons are not willing to reach out for help. Mental health is something that we all experience, we all have it, just like we have a physical health, we have a mental health. Mental illness is when there is a disturbance in our emotional or thinking or behavior pattern. For some persons, it's observable, and for some persons, it might be subtle. There are different symptoms for different conditions, and we would not be able to touch on these symptoms today. However, you are encouraged as an individual, if you are having a difficulty that has somehow disturbed your regular routine, whether it's a thought pattern issue, whether it's an emotional issue that you are having, a behavioral issue that you're experiencing, to seek counseling. You can seek counseling from different persons. There are private counselors, and there are also government offices that offers counseling. Government offices that offers counseling are normally free, and you can find those in St. Kitts and you can find them in Nevis. It is important for you, if you are experiencing any difficulties at all, that you seek a counselor. Seek help before it is too late, before things escalate in your life. It is not a shame to seek counseling. It is not a shame to talk to somebody. It is not a shame to get help. Get a counselor today.